Hi, this is Marty. We're looking at a stem from the aloe vera plant, and I guess there's seed pods from the aloe vera plant because I got at least 4 or 5 stems out there, and they're putting out a bunch of these little orange-colored, lightly orange-colored uh, flowers, which I believe has to be a seed pod. So what I do is I collected a few, and I will take a video of the plant with the tomorrow, weather permitting, of these seed pods on flowering. And it's a stem that comes from the aloe vera plant. It's like almost 4 feet tall, so 3 to 4 feet tall. So what I want to do is just capture the moment of these little seed pods over here. I will open them up and check them out. Here's a dried out one, really dried out, and we'll just check it out tomorrow. What I'm going to do is plan on waiting for them to bloom or partially bloom and just cut the stems and put them in the pot. Aloe vera seems to be a friendly plant in the Dougherty Garden because it loves to grow like crazy. And one thing I like about the aloe vera plant too is able to remove a few warts that I had on my hands. So graduate from my hands. Literally, it took a few weeks, but then they eventually dried up and fell off, and they haven't grown back since then. So I will show you that one day. Let me see if I can get that up there. But there, see that little section on the left there, a little shiny spot. That little above that was where the wart was growing. So that's take that out of there.